Hey, it's Mike with DirtKiller.com. Let's kill some dirt. We have an awesome new event that's coming up on November 12th at our retail shop, Atlantic Pressure Washers in Maryland. If you're local to the shop, we invite you to this all-day seminar on exterior wood restoration. It's going to be taught by none other than Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Actually, it's not going to be him. It's going to be his crew. We were so impressed by his crew and the knowledge that they had when they came in and demonstrated their product before we brought it into our lineup. We were just blown away. They have so much knowledge, so much expertise, and their products are amazing. If you want to increase your skill set and expand your service offerings, then we encourage you to attend this exterior wood restoration event. It's going to be an all-day event. You'll get there in the morning, we'll have a little coffee, donuts, then we go right into the shop and get busy learning all about it, hands-on Q&A, etc. Then there'll be lunch, and then right back at it. We're going to go to the rest of the day, and then we're going to wrap it up with a 4 o'clock early happy hour where we can talk and network, etc. So if you want to increase your skill set and expand your service offerings, then please register for our exterior wood restoration event, which will happen again on November 12th at Atlantic Pressure Washers, which is our retail shop. There is a registration fee of $50, but it's not really a registration fee. It's a credit towards the purchase of any Wizard of Wood products. So if you're serious about increasing your skill set and your service offerings, then register at the links below or above or wherever they are in the channel that you're watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe. My name's Mike with DirtKiller.com. Let's kill some dirt.
Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt.